Welcome back to USA Biker, the go-to destination for in-depth looks at the machines that define the open road and the unbeaten path. Today, we're diving deep into a motorcycle that's carved out a reputation as one of the most reliable and approachable dual sport bikes on the market. It's light, nimble, and tough as nails, the 2025 Yamaha XT250. Whether you're a weekend adventurer, a daily commuter who occasionally ventures off-road, or a first-time rider looking for a dependable companion, the XT250 continues to offer a package that's hard to beat. Let's explore everything there is to know about the 2025 version of this legendary machine. The Yamaha XT250 has been a staple in the dual sport category for years. Its reputation is built on simplicity, durability, and versatility. For 2025, Yamaha hasn't radically changed the formula, but instead, they've refined it, keeping what works while ensuring it meets modern standards and expectations. The XT250 is still powered by the same air-cooled 249cc single-cylinder, 4-stroke engine. It's fuel-injected, which ensures smooth throttle response and consistent performance across a range of altitudes and weather conditions. While the power figures won't blow anyone away, it puts out just under 20 horsepower. What makes this engine special is its predictability and ease of use. It delivers power in a smooth, linear fashion, making it perfect for new riders while still offering enough grunt to be fun on trails and back roads. The 5-speed transmission pairs perfectly with the engine's character. Gear changes are smooth and forgiving, which is another plus for newer riders. The wide gear ratio also allows the XT250 to comfortably cruise at highway speeds while maintaining low-end torque for off-road scenarios. The clutch action is light and intuitive, helping reduce fatigue during extended rides or tricky trail sections. One of the standout features of the XT250 is its low seat height, just 32 inches, which gives riders of all sizes the confidence to touch the ground and control the bike, especially in challenging terrain. In terms of chassis and suspension, the XT250 continues to offer excellent capability. It's built around a semi-double cradle steel frame that balances strength and flexibility, contributing to both the bike's durability and comfortable ride. The long travel suspension, a 35mm telescopic fork up front with 8.9 inches of travel, and a preload adjustable rear shock with 7.1 inches of travel, soaks up rough terrain with ease. This setup isn't designed for aggressive motocross riding, but for trails, gravel roads, forest paths, and even pothole-ridden urban streets, it's more than capable. The XT250 has a ground clearance of over 11 inches, which is a huge plus when you're navigating rocky or uneven terrain. Weighing in at just 291 pounds wet, the XT250 is incredibly light by dual sport standards. That lightness contributes to its overall handling, making it a joy to maneuver both on and off the pavement. Whether you're carving through tight forest trails or making quick turns in city traffic, the bike responds effortlessly. Combine that with a narrow body and upright seating position, and you've got a machine that gives you excellent visibility and control. It's easy to see why the XT250 is a favorite among riders who want a do-it-all machine that doesn't intimidate. When it comes to braking, Yamaha has equipped the XT250 with a front 245mm disc and a rear 203mm disc. These provide adequate stopping power, especially considering the bike's light weight. While the brakes aren't sport bike level sharp, they offer predictable, progressive feedback, which is what you want when you're riding on loose terrain or gravel roads. One area where the XT250 stands out is its tire setup. The 21-inch front and 18-inch rear wheels are wrapped in semi-knobby dual sport tires, giving you excellent traction off-road without sacrificing too much on-road performance. Whether you're riding through muddy trails or commuting through town, the tire performance holds up well in most conditions. As for electronics and tech, the XT250 keeps it simple. There's no ABS, no ride modes, and no TFT display. Instead, you get a basic digital dash that includes a speedometer, odometer, dual trip meters, a clock, and a fuel gauge. This minimalist approach might seem outdated compared to the tech-laden adventure bikes on the market, but it's also part of the XT250's charm. Fewer electronics mean fewer things to go wrong, and for riders who prioritize reliability and simplicity, that's a major advantage. It also makes the XT250 incredibly easy to work on, with straightforward access to components and basic maintenance tasks. Fuel economy is another strong point for the XT250. Thanks to its efficient engine and lightweight design, it sips fuel conservatively. Riders regularly report getting between 70 to 80 miles per gallon, depending on riding conditions. With a 2.6-gallon fuel tank, that gives you an impressive range of over 180 miles on a single tank, more than enough for a full day of trail riding or a week's worth of commuting. This frugality adds to the XT250's appeal as a practical, budget-friendly motorcycle that doesn't compromise on versatility. Visually, the 2025 model gets updated graphics and a fresh color option, keeping the look modern without straying from its rugged roots. The design language remains straightforward and functional, with a high-mounted front fender, slim profile, and minimal bodywork that keeps the bike lightweight and easy to clean after a day in the dirt. There are a few subtle refinements in the plastics and fit and finish that give the 2025 version a slightly more premium feel, though Yamaha has wisely chosen not to overcomplicate the aesthetics. Riders who opt for the XT250 will find it comes with basic but practical features. The wide handlebars offer good leverage for low-speed maneuvering, while the footpegs are positioned for comfortable long-distance riding or standing up on trails. The single-piece seat is decently padded and works well for both short and long rides, though taller riders might find themselves wanting a bit more legroom. Thankfully, the aftermarket support for the XT250 is strong, with plenty of options for custom seats, upgraded suspension, luggage racks, skid plates, and hand guards. This makes it easy to tailor the bike to your specific needs, whether you're building a lightweight adventure rig or a daily commuter that can handle the occasional detour through the woods. The XT250 also has a strong following among experienced riders who want a lightweight backup bike or a low-maintenance machine for local trail exploration. Its simplicity is its strength. You don't have to worry about complicated electronics, sensitive sensors, or high-strung engines. It's a bike that you can park for a few weeks, fire up with ease, and ride without fuss. It also makes for a fantastic learner bike for new riders who want to explore both pavement and dirt without being overwhelmed by weight or complexity. While the XT250 isn't designed to win races or conquer hardcore off-road terrain, it shines in its own lane. It's an honest, no-nonsense motorcycle that delivers where it counts: reliability, ease of use, and affordability. With a starting price that remains accessible for most riders, especially when compared to larger dual-sport or adventure bikes, the 2025 XT250 continues to offer exceptional value. It's one of the few bikes on the market that can truly claim to be a jack of all trades without feeling like a compromise. For 2025, Yamaha has ensured that the XT250 remains relevant in a changing market. It's not chasing trends or trying to reinvent itself. Instead, it continues to serve as a rock-solid option for riders who want a dependable machine that can handle a wide range of scenarios. Whether you're tackling light off-road trails, zipping through city traffic, or just enjoying a quiet backroad ride, the XT250 delivers a riding experience that's simple, satisfying, and endlessly versatile. Thanks for joining us here on USA Biker as we broke down everything you need to know about the 2025 Yamaha XT250. If you appreciate bikes that offer rugged reliability, no-nonsense design, and all-around capability, this is one machine that deserves a serious look. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the deep dive, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and drop a comment below telling us your thoughts on the XT250. Until next time, keep your throttle steady and your wheels on the trail. This is USA Biker, signing off.